some instances, though, you may need to be right on. I am not talking too much. I got a little bit of a sore throat. From too much smoking. Excess here, I'll just fold that over and roll that up for a minute till I need it. Now I've got my 6 end panels ready for the next part of assembly, which is, when it's all said and done, there'll be a piece of Velcro right here, another piece of Velcro here. This strap will come around like that, and it'll hold a pole. This is a water barrier. So, one more puzzle piece. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I've got plenty more videos to come. These you can find, it's nothing special. T-square. That comes from drywall. Only difference is got a little bit of a lip right here, so I use it for the thicker fabrics. Regular square. 4 foot. 6 foot. Pair of scissors. Nothing special to my operation. So, hopefully you guys like that video. And I will try and get you some more on the rest of it. I've also got some hydroplane stuff that I'm going to be doing soon, probably, to try and get rid of that and sell it. Dune buggy, some 4-wheelers, dirt bike. Got tons of builds, so stay tuned. Thanks. Peace.